Alright, well, starting in the middle of a hot mess. So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna, and I'm afraid to show you my apartment. So I'm moving. Alright, hey, we are starting this vlog off in a huge mess. I would say I'm sorry, but honestly, I'm moving. So I started packing about last week. Let me sit down here. So I started packing last week, and I started with just packing away my summer stuff here and just doing this big suitcase. And what I've come to realize is that I have a lot more clothes than I came here with, which, like, I knew it happened, but I didn't know it happened until this. Okay, you are haphazardly sitting on clothes right now, so, like, fingers crossed you don't fall over. But, yeah, so I started packing last week, and it is currently Monday, January 25th, 26th, somewhere along the lines of there, and I move on Sunday, January 31st. So, I have some time to pack. I definitely don't have to have everything packed up right now, but I am just in a little bit of like a fog on like exactly how to pack, what to do, and I just have more clothes than I knew I did. So, I'm just trying to figure out my clothing situation and find a more, what's the word, effective way to fold these clothes and get them all to fit in these 3 suitcases plus my shoes. But that's where we're at right now in this whole moving process, and I'll just kind of bring you guys along as I'm packing. So before I kind of ramble on and on and on, I do want to say this. So what we have figured out for this move is we have the date, we have the transferring stuff for our key money and all that figured out. Next, what I need to do is kind of plot out a way to make everything fit in our truck. And I have an idea on how to get everything to move in our truck, but I have to fit on a kind of small-ish moving truck. My white table that has my TV, the white chair that goes along with it, my air purifier, this hanging closet behind me, and a fan, and the rest of my stuff if I can. The suitcases can stay because I can fit them in a taxi if need be, but like my main fear with this move is having to use the moving truck twice. And like, it's not the end of the world if I do. If we have to take 2 trips, it's fine. But I just, until you move, I don't think you realize how much stuff you have. So I'm going through that process where I'm like, oh, I thought it was like super minimal, you know? Like when I see people on YouTube, I'm just like, yeah, no, like I have nothing compared to them. Okay, I have a lot for 3 suitcases, but I'm rambling. I don't want to bore you. That's where I'm at. For the rest of the night, I'm pretty much just going to be kind of rearranging my clothes, I think, and then just staring at a wall because I just feel overwhelmed. Even though it's not a big deal. Like literally, I'm moving 4 blocks away. It's really not a big deal, and I have a week to move my stuff. But for whatever reason, my brain's just like panic. And yeah, so that's the update. Now, I'm gonna let you guys go, and let's move on to tomorrow. Wow, this whole vlog, I'm just gonna look a hot mess. So look what came in the mail. Ta-da! Okay, you can't tell what it is, so I'm gonna turn around this way. It's a box. It's 3 boxes, or 4. Oh my god, did I get 4 boxes? No, okay, 3. There's 3 boxes. I definitely have more than I need in terms of boxes. Like, this box is massive. I definitely don't need this many boxes, but it's gonna be great to put my dishware and my bedding because I don't have a bag for it, essentially. And all the little like knickknacks that do not fit in here, like my games, my picture frame, all of that is essentially going to be going in here. So, and the 3 boxes that I got. So I'm pretty stoked about that. And I think what I'm going to do, because I don't have like, I have that much bubble wrap left. So what I think I'm going to do is wrap this around some clothes to save, because I don't want to get newspaper and stuff. But a random update, because I went to Daejeon today. And okay, so if you guys saw my last video, I showed you a piece of our apartment. I'll do a proper empty apartment tour when we're, you know, there. But hi, this is Editing Anna. It is moving day, clearly, and I wanted to just insert that I am just going to cut a lot of this because it was 5 minutes of me rambling about rags and pillowcases that I'm sure nobody actually cares that much about besides me, and you'll see all of the decor and stuff when I do a furnished apartment tour later on once we're fully moved in and settled, so insert me packing here. Excuse all the noise. It is currently Thursday, January 28th, 29th, one of those days. I'll have it written. But I just finished a workout. I actually got to go home early today, random aside. And I am cooking some dumplings and basically planning out what I want to pack today. Yesterday, I actually didn't show you guys. Yesterday, my table arrived. So funny story about the table. I'll show you guys in another clip. I'll show you guys what it looks like because I don't want to take it out. But random story. So I was going to order the table to arrive like Sunday. So I was going to order it on Saturday basically to arrive Sunday at the new place. But what ended up happening is it was basically about to sell out. And I am one of those people who, like, when my mind's set on something, you cannot convince me to like switch sides. Like, I am just very stubborn in that way. So that's what happened, and I ordered the table to come here, and I'm pretty happy about it because I love this table. You guys saw it in the overlaying clip. I love it. But so it's here, and I have to figure out how to get it on the truck. But I'm gonna go check out my dumplings real quick, and then we'll come back and chat. Okay, so dumplings, they are done. And basically, let me get into frame here. And basically what I'm going to do today is probably pack up all of my documents and like all my books and stuff and all the little knickknacks that are just like on my desk and in the drawers here and like in my shelves, and that's all I can really think of what to do because right now I'm doing laundry, as you can probably hear, and I am going to wash my bed sheets on Saturday, and this like fake rug that I have here that's really a blanket, I'm gonna wash that on Saturday at the laundromat so it dries, and that's pretty much going to be it. So, oh, and my dishes and stuff, but I'll do that Saturday in the afternoon / night when Matt's here and stuff, because I could probably use some help with that. And that's pretty much it, that I'm pretty much all packed. As much as it doesn't look like it or feel like it, that's essentially it. But yeah, so I'm gonna eat dinner and then pack away all my books, my documents, all the pens and papers and stuff like that. So let's eat and then get to it. Okay, so I finally wrapped up that last box. I'm thinking about just putting the books in like this bag, just because I think it'll be easier to do it that way. So put like the books and all the other stuff that is in there in like bags like this, and then put them at the bottom here. And then on top, I think what I'm gonna do is put like my rugs, my towels, and potentially that comforter in here. So I'm gonna try to do that and I'll come back. Okay, it is officially moving day. And here's my apartment. It's a hot mess express. But I think we pretty much have everything ready to go. Matt's making our bagels. Yeah. Our moving van is scheduled to come at 12:45 today. So at around 12, we'll start bringing all the stuff downstairs to pack into the truck. I'm not excited about that part, but it'll be a workout, which is good. But I am just excited to finally be moving in. And yeah, so that's all I have to report this morning. I'll tune back in later. Editing Anna is back, and I thought about ending the video right here on the present day, today, Sunday, the 31st. And I will just update you all once we have everything back in, and I'll show you guys the empty tour with just our stuff in boxes, so you get a better idea of what the new place looks like. And just so that I'm not worried about, there's no way I could film us moving this stuff up and down, up and down, up and down. So I will catch you guys once I'm officially moved in. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye!